In this video, we are going to show you step by step how to apply the graphene ceramic glass coating to all of the glass. Make sure you clay the glass before you get into coating the glass. Coating the glass is actually very easy. You take the microfiber applicator, the glass coating, and put a ton of this onto the applicator. All right, you can even drop this onto the glass as well. All right, we want a lot of this to go on here. Outline the area I'm working in, fill it in with the product I have on the applicator and on the glass. And then I take this and I start working this in. I go up and down and I go side to side. This formula actually penetrates the pores of the glass, making it more effective and lasts a lot longer than the standard graphene ceramic coating that we were putting on the glass. Do all of the glass on your car. Now, the cool thing about the glass coating is it doesn't really have a cure time. As soon as you apply it, you can wipe it off. Or if you want, you can apply it to all of your glass and then go back and wipe it all off. Going 30 to 40 miles an hour or higher, the water is gonna hit this, beat up, and fly off the top of your car, okay? It makes seeing through your glass in a rainstorm so much easier. All right, so I'm just gonna go through, I'm gonna wipe off the rest of the glass coating that I left on everything. And again, no cure time, so it's super, super easy.